We've got another one of our purebred Hampshire gilts here on screen right now, and this is one that I know from a personal standpoint I've had a lot of appreciation for this one. She's a half sib in blood to the 315s. So the 14s and 15s are out of littermate sows. And again, those sows are lion's share on Tripod's mom. So they'd be lion's share, grand entrance, Drake. That Drake sow would be one that we bought from the Drake firm in a production sale they had, and she was an incredible sow. Bred her to grand entrance, and that's how we arrived at Tripod when we made her to Top Gun. The Tripod thing's been very good, and I think what's really fun about this one on screen right now is she combines Throwback and Tripod's mom. Throwback would have sired the champion Hampshire gilt in the junior show at San Antonio yesterday, and then Tripod would have sired the reserve, and I think it's pretty cool to look at this one in that context. So, again, you've got Throwback on the top side, which is Top Gun point taken, and then the bottom side you've got a lion's share grand entrance sow, first litter gilt rather, and just a lot of neat stuff genetically here to talk about this one on this 314-7 gilt.
I mean, I guess I probably wouldn't be the guy to speak to Hampshire gilts genetically, but visually, I mean, that thing is sharp looking. Her edges are great up high. I would call her maturity on point for the summer, and one that's good built. And I would assume should have a very fun summer when you get that one on home and start feeding on her, because she's built good, her edges are good, she has a very good look up front.
Would you agree that her proportionality, I think, would make her more suited for one of those weekend gilts too?
Her
for the
length
families.
of body is just a fraction shorter than traditional Hampshire gilts at times, and I mean, I think one that if you're into that jackpot scenario, I think one that you could kind of maintain a little easier from the weekend to weekend kind of battle scenario.